So on the way to Azariah's chiropractor, there is the bread store, and we are about ready to go on our trip. So I just wanted to get some more bread because we've eaten through quite a bit of bread. So we're grabbing some more bread for our trip, and I'll just share with you what I got and my plans. Okay, so today I just chose cheap bread. So all of these here, these smaller loaves like this, are 50 cents. So I got all of these for 50 cents a piece. And then I got these English muffins for $1. I thought we might make some English muffin pizzas before we go. And then, because we're just trying to like eat up what's in the refrigerator, so we're not leaving lots of stuff in the fridge and freezer. So I don't want to like make anything big and then not, yeah, all the things, right? Try to like empty out your fridge just like you do when you're going on vacation. So I thought those might be helpful for English muffin pizzas. I think that we might actually, if I have some eggs, make some egg sandwiches either for here or the day we leave. I'm thinking probably for here because mistake of packing eggs on the day that we traveled, and oh my goodness, I don't know, did everyone just like decide that that was going to be the day that they were going to have egg gas? Oh my goodness, it was so stinky in the vehicle. I am not doing that again. No, not happening. Okay, so then these loaves here were out front for $1 a loaf, so I got 6 of those. That's what there was left, so I grabbed those. I got these crusty ones, and I thought that I will put our ham sandwiches and our turkey sandwiches on these. That's my plan. I'm going to do those tomorrow, so you will see that in a different video, all of our prep for food that we're doing tomorrow. So we're going to make sandwiches out of that. Bagels, I think for the first, I have a bunch of cream cheese left, and that's why I grabbed those. So I think that for the first day that we leave, I might actually take bagels and do bagels and cream cheese and just like pack them up so the kids can just have those for breakfast in the morning. Yay, that'll be quick and easy. And then I got some gluten-free things. So we've never actually tried this sourdough style bread. We have not tried it, but I do like the sourdough style that's like Walmart brand. I love that kind, so maybe this will be good. I find their bread to be a little dry, but if you pop it in the microwave or you toast it, it's fine. And you know, even if it is, it's food, right? Oops, this one goes over with my 50-cent loaves there. And then as far as other gluten-free things, so I got, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 of those sourdough style. And then I got, I believe 1, 2, okay, I got 3 of the bagels. These are gluten-free bagels. And then I got 2 of these English muffins. So yeah, I thought that we could kind of, they're going to be having the English muffin pizzas. I thought we could make those. They're going to be having the bagels. I thought we could make those. Actually, I probably am going to bring some bagels too because there's not always a lot of gluten-free options. So somebody actually, thank you so much, bought these for us, and they were in the P.O. box, and yay for that. Somebody was eating an orange there. So anyway, I have other stuff at the table that I was working on, but this is my haul. So the basic breads, I'll put some of these in the freezer. I'll put some of these in the freezer, but overall, we're gonna take these and make them into grand. I only spent like $50 in food groceries here, but the total was $136 for all this stuff. About 50 of that is food, and the rest is household items. It actually was included in my trip fund versus like my grocery budget and whatever budget, so it's all kind of thrown together. So this would be my trip budget. So I got some gluten-free pasta. I'm going to be bringing some of these down, and we're also going to be using some of these to yes, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be using some of these to make the noodle salad for we're having like this cookout or whatever with church. Okay, so we're gonna do that. This is what we ate for lunch. I'm also doing a gluten-free brownie mix for the church. I got these for inside of the van. Got this and this inside of the van. My husband needed some boxers. We got 2 things of those types of crackers. We already have the other kinds of crackers. I ended up getting these. I thought these would be okay. He's eating yogurt and stuff, but I thought these would be okay because in the vehicle you can take the cap off and he could just eat it from the cap. So I got some of those for him, and then for Azariah, and then I got 2 of these cheese singles. I have cheese to make the sandwiches, but I thought I would pack these in the cooler. These are some totes. Some of our totes that were underneath our van seats, which I'll share in my van video. Some of those are cracked, so you will see me redo with some of those. We need more diapers at home. I have a case to bring with us, but then we're gonna have that case for the house. And I got this. We got a little DVD player to bring with us to different places, and so I got the kids. I don't even know where our DVDs are. I'm hoping to find those, but I got this. That was like in the $5 section for my daughters. And then my bathroom needs a blind in it. That is for sure. So that's a short grocery haul. I'm going to be sharing a bunch of more videos. I'm actually going to film quite a few of those today because we are packing up to go on vacation.